Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V, and I am here to bring you another video on how to install these beautiful bow locks. So if you want to see how I created this look and this style, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, so I'm about to get started with the installation. I already have my hair in individual braids around the perimeter. So I have 2 rows in the front, 2 on the sides, and 2 in the back. And then in the middle, I have my cornrows, and then I sewed down my end piece. Okay, so the hair I'm using for this style is FreeTress Bo Loc. And it's in the color, Cherrywine. Cherrywine is really like a combination of burgundy and like this plum purplish color. So it's a good little mixture of colors here. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so there are 2 different ways I can do this, and I'm not sure which way I want to do this. So I'm gonna try both and see which way I like better. But first, I'm gonna tie back some of the hair that's in my way. Okay, so I'm gonna go under the braid, hook the hair on, get it turned around, close the needle, slide it through, push the hook through the hole, grab it at the end with the hook, and pull it through that little loop. Ooh, that might not work. And this was a little thick piece. Alright, let me see if this braid will slide in easily this way. So you can go through. And pull it through. Okay. Go through again. Try to come out where that braid is. Hook it and pull it through. All right, so I gotta do that again. I grabbed in a not so good location. So to avoid that, make sure you grab it in a good location the first time and not right here where it's like the thinner part of the hair. It needs some grip. There we go. So there's a little piece right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not really too worried about that. Yeah, that little piece right there. I'm not too worried about that. All right, so I'm gonna do this one more time and then I'm gonna speed this up. Now I could pull both of these in to the loop, but I don't think I like that method, so I'm gonna do what I was doing initially. But this is some big hair, so I don't know if this is gonna fit. See, okay, you just gotta be really careful when you're pulling it back through. There. Y'all excuse my nails. I'm actually about to get on a plane to go to Florida for a family vacay, celebrate me and my son's birthday. And I did not get a chance to get to the nail salon to get my nails done, so I probably have to do that while I am down there on my birthday, which is something I normally do. Just pay for myself, so that's probably what I'll do. Okay, see, it's all in there. So I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I'm gonna finish the rest of the perimeter, and then I'll come back and talk through the middle section. Okay, got the front part of the perimeter done. So now I'm gonna move on to the side. Another tip I wanted to add is when I did these individuals, I braided about halfway and twisted the rest just to save a little time. And it makes the takeout process a little easier, so you don't have to braid all the way down. But I do recommend braiding first to give the hair some firm grip to go through the braid, because if it's twisted only, then it may start unraveling as you're trying to pull it through. Okay, so I finished this side in the front, so now I am going to quickly try to finish this side in the back because I gotta get out the door and catch my flight. I might not finish, so I might have to wait till I get to my destination to finish, so let me speed up. So this is actually one pack, and I'm still on the perimeter. But I did make a lot of individuals, so this is one pack. So I still have this to go, and then this middle section. Okay, so I have all of the perimeter finished. Now all I gotta do is this middle section, but guess what? I ain't got time right now, so I might be that chick that try to finish on the plane. We'll see. Otherwise, I'll see you on the other side when I get to my final destination, and I'll be able to finish then. Hey everybody, so I am in my hotel room in Orlando, Florida, and I did not get a chance to finish on the plane because I chose to sleep. So now it is the next day, and I threw it in this little quick ponytail so that I can, you know, manage through the day. While we went to the park earlier, we went to Universal Studios with the kids, and so now I finally get to finish my hair because we got in like late last night, like midnight. So we had to get up early, you know, get ready for the studios. We didn't go to Universal Studio, I take that back. We went to Treasure Island, that's what it was. Treasure Island, which was, it's okay. So now it is the next night and I'm gonna try to finish my hair. So, all right, work with me. I still have the middle section incomplete. All of this, yeah. This needs to be done. So, that's what I'm gonna do. But it's the easy part because I don't have to do the individuals anymore and feeding it through the lock. So I can just crochet onto the braid. Pretty simple, right? I'll probably show you this one time and then I'm gonna speed this video right along. So here we go. See, pretty simple. So I'm gonna space these out quite nicely because I don't want it to look super big and bulky for no reason at all. So I am gonna keep going and I'll let you see the finished result. I just finished doing all of the installation, and that, like, doing that middle section just took me probably like 10-15 minutes max, like no time. What takes the longest are these individuals, but once you get to the middle, super easy. So let me do a little turn. So it's all installed now, and I'm probably gonna come back with all of my accessories on, with, you know, a fresh face, because I probably look a mess right now. I've been out in the heat all day, and this Orlando heat is some other kind of heat, okay? Super hot. I mean, super hot. I mean, unnecessarily hot. I don't know how y'all do it out here. So when I come back, I have my accessories. I probably have look a little more decent than I do right now. So wait for the final look once it all comes together. All right, so this is the final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.